Let's assemble a mini bulldozer. Drag the part to the right place. Done! And now we need to fuel the mini bulldozer. Pump. Ready. Let's remove the upper soil layer and add some fertile soil. Connect the wires of the same color. That's all. Let's assemble a covered truck. Keep up the good work. Let's fuel the covered truck. Pump. That's all. Drag the hook to the cargo. Amazing! Tap on the forward button to continue moving. Hooray! Here we are! Let's install the drip irrigation system. We need to assemble a film laying machine. Done! Let's fuel the film laying machine. Pump. Keep up the good work. Let's place the protective film on the soil and form rows. Install the missing pistons. That's all. Let's assemble a tractor with carriage. Done! Let's fuel the tractor with carriage. Choose another color. Try another color. Press the pump. We did it! Let's buy strawberry seedlings and load them into a truck. And now let's wash the tractor with carriage. Keep it up. Let's assemble a transplanter. Ready. Let's fuel the transplanter. Pump. Keep up the good work. Drag the hook to the cargo to hang it. Amazing! Let's plant strawberries in the prepared planting holes. Amazing! First, let's fuel the strawberry trimmer. Pump. Keep up the good work. Let's trim the strawberry beds. Install the missing gears. Done! First, let's assemble a market truck. We did it! Let's fuel the market truck. Press the pump. Ready. Let's collect the ripe berries and bring them to farmers market. We made it! Keep it up!